So in the last video, we verified the fuel pump was working, and we also verified we're getting fuel from the line up into the filter. In this video, I'm going to show how to change a fuel filter in a Quadrajet. Off camera, I've already verified all the fuel lines are good. I blew through them. I also went back to the tank, verified everything from the nozzle all the way up to the carb. First step is to remove this fuel line. You're going to want to make sure you have a container ready to catch all the fuel. Next, you're going to want to remove the fuel filter housing nut. Mine was a little stiff, so I had to tap it a little bit with a hammer and an adjustable wrench to get it to break loose. You're going to want to be careful whenever you unscrew this, because there is a spring back there that holds everything in. It can shoot out if you pull it out too fast. Next, we're going to reassemble everything with a new filter. These filters are fairly cheap. This one costs like $5. And now we're going to reassemble our fuel line. And that's pretty much it. After I got through assembling this, I noticed something. This choke uses the heat off of the intake, and the hole in the intake is blocked off. So yeah, this carburetor, I think it's time for a new carburetor. So I got one. I have a Holley 600 CFM one that I'm going to put on in the next video. So if you like what you've seen, please hit that like button. And if you want to see the installation of the new carburetor, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.